Hi, my name is Gary Wales. I'm also a member of the Peterson Museum, and this is my 38 Bentley, but it's a bit unusual, very unusual. I was looking to do something to build a car that had something that no one else has ever seen, and I finally came up with it. It took me 20 years. But there's a period of about 20 years when they were building cars with twin side mounts, but it always looked very awkward to me on the doors. So here's what I came up with. This is the only car in the world with scalloped doors around the spare wheels. And it really works very well. We have a couple other little things. This is a 4 1/4 1938. However, the radiator on it is a 1928 4.5 liter Bentley radiator, and the car had been in a crash in 1928 at Le Mans, and the only thing they were able to salvage was the radiator, which I eventually acquired from Rolls-Royce after they bought Bentley. I extended the hood at 18 inches, lowered the engine and transmission, moved it back, and put the shifter that's normally in the right here in the center. So the whole thing is just absolutely a delight to drive, and what more can I say? It's my dream car, and I was able to do that. Thank you for looking at it.